So the first thing I'm doing is to wipe my nose with a wet wipe to clean it up, and I'm using this homemade scar wax that I made, and I'll use the red one first. To make a scar wax, you need 1 part petroleum and 2 parts flour, and you'll know if it's ready if you can form it into a ball using your hand, if it's not too sticky or not too dry. I'm using petroleum jelly to smoothen the edges of the scar wax. Now I'm using the skin toned scar wax to make the skin, of course, and yep. Now I'm using this sculpting tool to make the flesh look harsh and messy. I am using this scab blood to make it look gross and thick. I only made it by using a clear gel and food coloring and a little cocoa. For more blood, I am using this lighter shade of blood that I made, and it's runny than the scab blood. Things missing in this look, and it's the bone thing, so I'm using this cotton and making a little cotton line thing and make it look like a bone stretching out of the nose. we're done. That's how to do the broken nose thingy, and if you like it, give it a big thumbs up, and if you want more of me, subscribe. If you have suggestions, comment down below. So yeah, and bye bye. See you on my next video. Happy Halloween.